Hi, I'm here to work on the TV loan homework this morning. I remember this one was relatively a short Excel homework from last semester. So let's see, a TV loan. Look, it's really short. Okay. Try to zoom in. Start Excel, download and open the workbook named TV loan. We got that. In cell E7, calculate the new balance at the end of month 1. And we will fill that cell E7 down the column to cell E36. It says note the values in the range E8 to E36 will automatically change after completing the next step. Okay, let me see. Let me try to just make it a little bit bigger. So we're going to E7. Let's see, where are we typing in it? E7. Okay, that's E7 right there. We want the new balance after month 1. I want a formula. Let's see. Okay, so part A, the balance. Okay, so we're buying a flat screen TV that is $1,000, or maybe not $1,000. Maybe we have some kind of down payment and then we just had to finance that $1,000. So $1,000 is what we still owe. We have to pay the interest of $10 this month, but we made a payment of $50. So the new balance will be, I'm typing in an equal sign. Let me zoom in for you guys. E7, the new balance will be equal sign, starting with the $1,000 balance. But I'm going to add the interest, okay? Because that's something we have to pay for borrowing their money. So we do B7 plus C7. But let me subtract the $50 because that's how much I paid this month. Okay, so if I'm doing my math in my head, I had $1,000 on my balance, but then $10 was added, so that was $1,000 and $10. $1,010, but then I have to subtract 50, so I should get $960. Yay! Okay, so that's it. I'm going to they said copy this all the way down, fill this down to column E36, go down. That's E30. Yeah, never mind. E36, let's go. Now it says 0 everywhere, but I remember that little note they told me that if I fill out the rest of these will automatically change. So I think we're good. So go back, and I am done with step 2. Step 3, in cell B8, find the balance at the beginning of month 2. Fill cell B8 down the column to cell B36. Go to B8. B8 is this cell right here, and this is where we want to enter the beginning balance of month 2. And we know exactly what that is. So the first month, the new balance was $960, and the beginning balance of month 2 is simply the ending balance of the first month. So click on E7. So the formula for B8 is simply E7. That's it. Hit enter. Let me fill this all the way down to B36 and let go. That's it. Now it looks like we owe $960 every month after 36 months. That's not good. But I guess we have to now figure out these two columns, interest and payment. But we are done with step 3. Step 4, fill cell C7 down the column to C36. C7 to 36. So we're not doing anything. We're just copying this down. And they said fill cell D7 down the column to cell D36. Apply to range C8 to D36 the same formatting as for cell E7. And they said click the format painter and then select range C8. Hold on. But okay, I'm just going to copy down or fill down those C7 and D7. And it says values in range D7, D36 should be equal to $50. Okay, let me just do what I understand first. So D7 all the way, C7 all the way down. Ta-da! Okay. And then D7 all the way down. And I remember this is the one where they said it's going to be $50 every month. So $50 every month. Okay. And then something about formatting. Let me see. Same format as E7, they said, right? E7 format was currency with 2 decimal places. So I'm just going to copy all these down. Oh, I'm sorry. Select all these. Not copying anything. And then just format it as currency. It's already formatted the way they want it. So I'm not going to mess with any formatting here. But this looks good. This looks good. I can see that we're making a monthly payment of $50 every month. And then that the interest is, the amount of interest that we will end up paying is going down, going down. That's good. And if you can see about after month 22, well, after our 22nd payment, we still owe $21. So month 23, we don't have to pay $50 because you see how the balance that we owe is negative there. So we'll be done paying this off in 22 months, and then a little bit of partial payments. It's probably less than it's going to be less than $50 on month 23. So we are done with step 4. Let's answer 5. Okay. Step 5 in cell F38, find the amount owed at the end of 1 year. Okay? At the end of 1 year. F38. This is the box we need to type in the answer. Okay. At the end of 1 year. 1 year, 12 months, right? So the amount will be $492.70. I was thinking for a second. I'm wondering if they want us to type in the amount, or may I just do, I think I'm just going to try this equal sign, and then I will just click on the amount, E18, because that's the ending amount, ending balance of, or after 12 months. So I'm going to just do this, okay? So it just copied it, but I didn't know if they wanted me to type this in, but this is probably it. This is probably it. Okay. Now what's this little box saying? How long will it take you to pay off the loan? In cell F40, enter a simple formula which will link to the cell. Oh no, that's talking about the next step. But okay, that's it for step 5. Step 6 in cell F40, that's the little box that I was just reading. Find the number of months to pay off the loan. Oh, I remember just talking about it. It's going to take me like 22, or was it 23? Let's see. We will be done with this payment. I can't say this month because we still owe $21.14 there. But how about this month? Month 23, we know we're not going to make $50. We're just going to pay $21.14 off. But we will be done paying this loan in after or in month 23. So number of month to pay off the loan. I want to type in 23, but do they want... So if the number of months the loan is paid off is in cell E8, your formula would be E8. Number of months to pay off the loan. Why E8? No, that's the amount. Oh no, I guess they're just making an example. I'm going to do this. I'm going to say equal sign. And let me click on this cell, A29, A29. That's the cell that has month 23 in there. So hit enter. So it's got the number that I wanted. Number of months to pay off the loan is going to be 23 months. So let me show you what I typed in. For part B, I typed in E18 in F38, and I typed in A29 and F40. I'm going to submit this and see if that's what they wanted instead of just typing in F23. Save your file and submit for grading. Let's do that right now. Save, 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 save. Close it. I'm going to go ahead and submit this right now to see how I did. Now, that was TV loan. This looks like it. Yep. I'm going to submit it. Upload, submit for grading. Close it. Now will it grade here? Let me go back to modules. Click on the TV loan homework. I want to see 8 out of 8. It's not grading it yet here. I'm gonna have to go to my lab and mastering. Oh, okay. So when I got here, it said it's already graded. It says C score. Please be 80. Yes, it is 80. So that was it. It took me about 10 minutes to do this homework. Email me if you have any questions, okay? I'm gonna come back and do the other one, the car loan homework, probably a little bit later, sometime this week, okay? Thank you.